Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to fix the "we couldn't verify your country" error on YouTube Premium in 2026 so you can access your subscription without issues. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix this error, first you must go to your profile, click on your profile icon, go to purchases and membership. And in here, if you can see any inactive memberships, you should delete them. For the other method is going to clear your cache. In order to do this, click the three dots on the right top corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see settings. In here, click privacy and security. Scroll down until you see third-party cookies. Scroll down once again until you see old site data and permissions. And in here, you can search for YouTube. In which case I don't have any cache for it, but if you do, you can simply click the bin icon and delete. For the other methods is making sure that you disable any VPN that may cause the conflict. And for the last one is to use your mobile phone to subscribe in YouTube. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.